Hello and welcome everyone to the 24th of June edition of the meeting for the Kubernetes Contributors Summit North America 2024, which will going to take place on Monday, November the 11th, 2024 in Salt Lake City. Please adhere that this meeting is under the code of conduct of the CNCF, which in short means be nice and excellent to each other. All right. Not many updates from my side. I think Sean also have nothing that I'm aware of. Thanks for all the work that has been done last week. And we would basically go directly to Janelle.
How did you find that meeting? How did you find that meeting?
Hey everyone. My only update is regarding the registration report. So those reports were when I usually pull them in the past from our registration platform. There's two different reports I have to pull, and the reg team didn't have them ready pulling all the information that we need. So I requested them to update those so that when I pull them, they pull all of the information that we want. So the reg team is on site right now with another event. They said that they would get to it as soon as they could. So as soon as that's ready, I will ping you all. But so thanks for your patience. Sorry, we weren't able to do it on Friday.
Thank you for the update. I think that's still fine. Next up is Josh.
Yeah, pretty simple. It's still early days for ops. But this week we're going to send out a solicitation for people to express their interest in volunteering in hopes of getting some volunteers early. And since we're actually doing that, I wanted some other teams to know we're going to include the social and the meet and greet in that, in hopes of finding more volunteers for both of those things. And I'll pass those names along when it's time to actually try to schedule people.
Sounds good. Then next up is Nitish with content.
Hi Mario, general update about the content team is that we have only got one response so far for the CFP. We understand it's too early. We have, I think, a good amount of time before the CFP actually closes. But I think in between the time we are getting right now, our next set of tasks would be to understand more about the venue so that we can figure out how we're going to make the schedule, how many unconference sessions we're going to plan, and things like that. So generally for now, there is no such major update from the content team.
And to answer your question, actually, in the meeting space and agenda tab of the planning document, let me share it inside of the chat. There you can basically find the rooms that we have. And I'm still waiting to hear back from SIG Docs if Doc Sprint is actually happening. So far, there's not yet an answer to this.
Okay, makes sense.
All right. Next is communications, and this time in place replacement for Kathleen is Feka.
Yeah. Hi, Mario. So from communications, there are a couple of updates. First thing, just for an information for everybody, communication dates would be counted in the Salt Lake City's time zone. So all the communications that are going out will be according to the time zone that matches Salt Lake City. Apart from that, we have sent around 2 mails in the past 2 weeks. So The CFP information has already been sent out by Arvind, and the social and Slack message has also been out. The awards nomination has also been sent only to the leads for KubeCon North America, which was sent on June 19th by Casely. Apart from this, we are now in progress with writing some mails, which includes writing a mail for calls for design, which will be asking designs from the contributors of Kiborities for logo and award. And this will be sent by this week. We still have a bit of like some pending reviews. So if you all want to review, you all can hop on the link just shared on the document. And yeah, we're also in progress with writing the call for volunteers, which would tentatively go by 27th of June, after call for designs mail goes out. So this was in progress. Rest we have some mails that are not yet scheduled, but yet to be written. That is code of conduct information. For this, we will need Josh to chime in and let us know what would be the perfect timing for send this. And yeah, the rest we have some announcements, follow up and all those things, which will be Sandeep's first communication, which would be going out. And this would be again in next month by around July, or yeah, in next month around July 4th or 16th, any one of these dates. Rest we have an update is that the PR to add the logo designs has been out, and we are still doubtful should we also have a similar PR to add these designs on website. So we would want you all to chime in and let us know should we. And yeah, we are yet to open a PR for past award designs that is to be done. I think those are all the updates from comms. Outside that, I don't think so. We have more, but yeah, there would be some reminders that we'll be sending out by July and August for the CFP. So we are planning that we'll send reminders monthly. So two would go in September and one would go in July and August, which would be taken up by Arvind, Sandeep, and Sandeep. So that is the plan. Yeah. Over to you.
Josh, go ahead.
Caslin already determined the timing for the volunteer notice.
Sorry, can you just repeat?
I said Caslin already decided the timing for the volunteer notice.
Oh, yeah.
See Slack.
Was it a recent communication?
Like yesterday, yeah.
Oh, no, but I mean, we just had a communication, right? I think it's not for volunteer that we want you. We wanted it for COC. For volunteers, we have already noted the timing as June 27th.
Okay.
Yeah,
Got
for COC information, we need some idea on what should be the timing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that would be actually at the event. And probably included in the know before you go.
Yeah.
So those would be the two places. So both know before you go and the morning of the event.
Okay. Yeah, Mario, you can include that.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. Next up would be social, and here, Xander, are you still standing by your offer from last week?
Yeah, I mean, if needed. So the comms went out last week, is that right?
Yes, last
Okay.
week was the call for help, and so far no one came back.
Okay. Yep, that's fine. I'm happy to take that on. Yeah, I largely know what to do from here. I'll comb through the issue and see if we had any interest in shadows for that role. Double check there, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I know what to do. I'll keep y'all. I'll have an updates, an official update for next week.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
All right, then registration update is Sriram.
Yeah, hey everyone. So we're still waiting for folks to register so that we can go through them and approve. the registration requests. Last week we had gone through the list of org members and made sure that they're up to date. Yeah, that is everything from the registration scheme.
Excellent. Then I think we will skip meet and greet as all of the meet and greet members are out this week, which is not that much of a problem. And go directly to awards. I saw that comms went out. Mars.
Yes. Yes, sorry. Yes, we did send comms last week. Yay. We didn't get any response yet, but it will take a while. We have like a month, more than a month, 5 weeks, to get all the responses, and we will also start pinging SIG leads probably in 2 or 3 weeks, so that they don't forget. Basically, things are looking good for now. Fingers crossed. Still stays that way.
All right, then I have no update on this swag currently because I was on vacation last week and actually didn't contact any companies. Is there any other topic that we need to discuss, or any other topic that comes up?
Just to quickly answer the question, like we have created a PR for adding the past logo designs. So we had a question, should we put this for website as well? Like we have updated it on community right now. So should this PR also be open for website so that we can make it visible to the whole community? What do you all say?
Where are we putting these?
Right now it's on the community /community. So, I mean, adding it on the website is also a good idea that we were just thinking of.
I mean,
it's okay. We'll take it up on Slack. That's it.
I would also move this more towards ContribEx and not towards Summit. I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it would just be a question of somebody would need to figure out where that's going to fit in the page hierarchy and design a page for it.
Yeah, exactly. Because there's also like the 10-year anniversary logo in it. And
yeah,
maybe it would be a good place to update the event subpage, that there's like more in there than the different years.
Yeah, but maybe we just want to have a community logos repository instead. I don't know. Let's definitely take that up on ContribEx.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, agree there. All right, then we have been super efficient in only 16 minutes of time, and I wish you all a nice week and hopefully some nice weather. Enjoy. Bye, folks.
Bye. See ya.
Later.
Bye, everyone.